Hello everyone, thanks for watching. In this video, we will explore a very important topic, the C# arrays. So, are you ready? Obviously, let's get started. Let's talk a little bit about array. So, an array stores a fixed-size sequential collection of elements of the same type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type stored at contiguous memory locations. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value, arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. A specific element in an array is accessed by an index. Array indexes start with 0. Here, array 0 is the first element, array 1 is the second, etc. So let's create an array. To declare an array, define the variable type with square brackets. So let's declare string, square brackets, of course, for example, days. So we have now declared a variable that holds an array of strings. To insert values to it, we can use an array literal. Let's place the values in a comma-separated list inside curly braces. In this case, the days of the week should be inserted. So let's do this. String days assigned to curly braces, of course, Monday, Tuesday, and for example, Wednesday. So by the same logic, we can declare an array of integers. Let's do this. Int num, for example, assigned to curly braces again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now let's access the array element and try to print the first day of the week. So let's do this part, of course. Console outline, days, square brackets, 0, of course. So we already know that array indexes start with 0 and element with an index of 0 is the first element of the array. So running the program, in the console window we will get the phrase Monday, which is the first day of the week. And now let's try to change the array element. To change the value of a specific element, let's refer to the index number. You just need to declare the following between these two lines. So let's do this. Days 0 assigned to, for example, Sunday. So by running the program, we will get the Sunday expression instead of Monday. And what is the array length? Array length indicates the number of array elements. To find out how many elements an array has, let's use the length property. So let's do this part, of course. So console outline, days.length. So running the program, we will get the array length. In this case, it is 3. We can also loop through the array elements with the for loop and use the length property to specify how many times the loop should run. So let's try this. Let's do this part, of course. So for int I assigned to 0, I is less than days length, of course, and I plus plus. So console outline, days I. So by running the program, we will get all the elements of the array in the console window. Okay, also by announcing a shorter length instead of days length, we can print few items. For example, let's declare 2. So by running the program, in the console window we will get only the expressions Monday and Tuesday. And now let's study the for each loop in more detail, which is used exclusively to loop through elements in an array. Let's use the for each loop to display the elements of the days array in the console window. So let's do this. For each, so string I in days, and of course console outline I. So this example can be read like this. For each string element in days, print out the value of I. If we compare the for loop and for each loop, we will see that the for each method is easier to write, it does not require a counter using the length property, and it is more readable. By running the program, we will get all the elements of the days array in the console window. So today we explored C# arrays and learned how to use loops with them. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and click the notifications button to not miss the further videos. I wish you a good day. Bye!